What did it feel like walking into GRMI on day one?
Day one was honestly very overwhelming. I remember walking in with a mix of excitement and oh god, what have I signed up for? Everyone looked so confident and sorted, and I was just trying to act like I belonged here.
What were you expecting?
I was honestly expecting the usuals, the classes, the placements, and maybe some networking. What I wasn't expecting was the intensity, or the friendships, or how deeply this place would push me out of my comfort zone, honestly.
Memories of MDP room.
This room is honestly a special one. This is exactly where I gave my first interview. I remember being fully convinced कि इस बार तो मेरा interview नहीं निकलेगा. And the room right outside. That's the room I got the news that I was selected for EY. This is where I was sitting when the news broke out to me that I got placed, and I remember it was just pure joy. I was calling my parents, I was hugging my friends, and it was a very joyful moment for me. That's one of the moments where you realize I've made it.
What does this classroom remind you of?
This is where it all started. From day one, that was the orientation where I didn't know anyone, and to the last day where we were getting appreciation and certifications for brand ambassador, all-rounders, club stars. This room has honestly seen it all. I was constantly the one giggling in the back and getting scolded by teachers all the time. But this is also the place where I met all the faculty and mentors who actually shaped my career today.
What do these walls remind you of?
The fifth floor wasn't just a recreational area. It was basically where life happened outside of classes. We've hosted many events here, from farewell, freshers to even the alumni event. We did all of these decorations ourselves. And every time I just come back here and look back, it just feels very nostalgic. This is also the place where I've had most of my lunches, my last minute group project discussions, my pre-presentation panic attacks. Also the place where I learned to play TT for the first time. Safe to say so, I came here not knowing how to hold a bat, and I'm leaving from here as a pretty decent player if I say so myself. So yeah, a lot of chaos, a lot of growth, and a lot of memories happened right here.
What impact the faculty had on you?
I think what stands out the most is that the faculty wasn't just teaching us life. They were sharing real experiences, real risk, real stories. They pushed us sometimes a lot, but I get it why. And I think the biggest thing that they gave us wasn't just knowledge. It was confidence in becoming a risk professional and navigating our career paths.
So how you are feeling while walking out of GRMI as compared to when you walked in?
When I first walked into this building, I was just a curious, confused, slightly underconfident student trying to figure life out. But when I walk out of GRMI today, I am much more confident, more articulate, more resilient, more self-aware, and honestly a better version of myself. GRMI is a very bittersweet feeling. It did not just give me a job. It gave me perspective, friends, mentors, faculty, whom I'll always cherish. They made me a version of myself that I'm really proud of today.